Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for Ally online banking account. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box at the top, type in www.ally.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official website of Ally Bank, which looks like this. Go to the upper right hand corner and click the login button in order to end up in the login area. You'll need to fill in your information in order to log in and access your online banking account. Select your account type and enter your username followed by your password to log in. If you don't remember your password, click on this Forgot Password link soon after you do that. On the next page, you'll be asked to provide some information in order to recover your Ally Bank account. Type in your username associated with your online banking account in the first text box. Make sure to type in the correct username. Head over to the next field where it says Social Security Number and type in your Social Security number. After filling it in, select whether you'd like to receive your password hint via email or text. If you do so, make sure this box over here at the top is checked. In order to reset your forgotten password, make sure this circle is checked at the bottom and click the continue button. On the next page, follow through the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to create a new password for your Ally online banking account. That is what you can do in case you've forgotten your password and you'd like to reset your password for Ally online banking account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.